In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Epic Games Launcher cropped display screen error. If the Epic Games Launcher is appearing cropped, stretched, or not displaying correctly on your screen, don't worry. In most cases, this issue is caused by incorrect Windows display settings, or by the launcher not restarting properly after a display change. In this guide, I'll show you a few simple adjustments that may help restore the launcher to its normal appearance. To get started, go to your desktop and right-click on an empty area. From the menu that appears, select Display Settings. Once the Display Settings window opens, make sure you have the correct monitor selected if you're using more than one display. It's important that you're adjusting the settings for the monitor where you normally use the Epic Games Launcher. Next, scroll down until you find Display Resolution. Make sure the resolution is set to the recommended option for your monitor. Using the recommended resolution helps Windows display applications at the proper size and can prevent Windows from appearing cropped or cut off. While you're still in the Display Settings window, locate the Scale setting and verify that it is also set to the recommended value. This ensures that text, icons, and application windows are displayed using the proper scaling. After that, check the Display Orientation setting and confirm that it matches the correct orientation for your monitor. If any of these settings are incorrect, adjust them before continuing. Now the next step is to completely close the Epic Games Launcher. Simply closing the window may not fully shut it down because it can continue running in the background. To make sure it's fully closed, go to the bottom right corner of your taskbar and click the upward arrow to display the hidden system tray icons. Find the Epic Games Launcher icon, right-click it, and choose Exit. This ensures the launcher is no longer running. Once the launcher has been completely closed, return to your desktop and open the Epic Games Launcher. Right-click the desktop shortcut or the launcher icon in the Start menu, then select Run as Administrator. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes to continue. After the launcher opens, check to see if the crop display issue has been resolved. Running the launcher after confirming the correct display settings often allows it to load properly and display everything as expected. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,